The slow cook setting on your Tiger rice cooker makes mealtime a breeze. Today, we'll prepare a savory and tender pot roast. No matter what you're making for dinner, Tiger has got you covered. Most of what you'll need for the gravy may already be in your kitchen cabinet. Place 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup into the inner pot of your rice cooker. Toss in 3/4 of a packet of dehydrated onion soup mix, add half a cup of water, and give it all a really good stir. Then place 2 pounds of tri-tip roast into the mixture and coat the meat well. Set the inner pot into the body of your rice cooker, close it up, select the slow cook setting. Then set the timer for 3 hours and hit the start key. Let's prep some veggies. We're using celery, green beans, carrots, and a potato, but feel free to use whatever you'd like. Chop the veggies into bite-sized pieces, and then at the 90-minute mark, carefully open your rice cooker and add the vegetables to the mix. Then close that lid. We're in the home stretch. Once the timer hits 0 and the keep warm light kicks on, open it up and plate it up. Well, that was easy, and the meat is so tender. A savory, homey meal for the entire family. Dinner made easy by Tiger.